MA 110, Section 3.4, Homework Numbers 15 through 18. Once again, in this situation, we have two functions, f of x, in this case, equal to x squared plus 2, and g of x, in this case, equal to 2x squared minus 4. Just like in our other video, in this case, we want to figure out what f plus g is, f minus g is, f times g is, and f divided by g is. First, for f plus g, I write x squared plus 2 because that's f. Plus, that's this plus. And then g, 2x squared minus 4. And once again, I write f inside parentheses, and I write g inside parentheses. Then I simplify. X squared plus 2x squared, 2 plus negative 4, 2 plus negative 4. So x squared plus 2x squared is 3x squared minus 2. So f plus g is 3x squared minus 2. I also like to talk about the domain of this function. So the domain of f plus g, 3x squared minus 2, is all real numbers negative infinity to positive infinity. Now let's do f minus g. This is f, and I put it in parentheses, minus, that's this minus, then g, and I put that in parentheses. X squared plus 2, and then I distribute this minus. So minus times 2x squared is minus 2x squared. Minus times minus is positive 4. And then I simplify. X squared minus 2x squared is minus x squared. 2 plus 4 makes 6. So f minus g is minus x squared plus 6. The domain of this function is minus infinity to positive infinity. Now f times g. This is f, this is g. In the case of f times g, I have x squared plus 2 multiplied by 2x squared minus 4. So now I have to FOIL this. X squared times 2x squared is 2x to the 4th. X squared times negative 4 is minus 4x squared. 2 times 2x squared is positive 4x squared. And 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. When I simplify it, I see that these two terms, minus 4x squared and plus 4x squared, become 0, and I'm left with 2x to the 4th minus 8. So f times g is 2x to the 4th minus 8. The domain of this function is negative infinity to positive infinity. And then finally, f divided by g. So I have f, x squared plus 2, divided by g, which is 2x squared minus 4. Now I'm not going to simplify this any more than that. I'll just leave it like that. But I need to be concerned about where the bottom, the denominator, is equal to 0. So I set the bottom, the denominator, 2x squared minus 4 equal to 0, and solve for x. I added 4 to both sides, divided both sides by 2, so I get x squared is equal to 2. Then I solve, and I get x is equal to plus or minus root 2. So the domain is all real numbers not equal to x equal negative root 2 or x equals positive root 2.